Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off participate events on your Tinder app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then you come to next window here or settings window, then you just go down here, so you keep going and you come here to settings, you will click here on manage events, you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to events window here, and you come here to participate in events, you just click here on this mark, and like you say color it's gone, that's mean participate in events it's turned off now. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you know I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.